Hi guys, welcome to my channel. How you guys doing? I am Vida and today I'm going to be showing you a makeup tutorial. So this is the makeup which I'm going to be showing you in the video. So hope you enjoy the video. So let's go ahead and get started with the video. So the first thing I'm going to be using is my color corrector. So I apply it all over my dark spots and then I'm going to just simply blend it, and I'm going to be using these two foundations. I'm going to mix them because one is lighter, one is darker, so I'm going to use the lighter one more than the darker one today. So that's how I'm going to blend it over my cheeks, and yeah, I'm going to apply it all over my face, and I'm going to use a little more product today for the higher coverage because I've been not sleeping and I'm been not taking care of my skin, so it doesn't look that nice. So I want to look flawless, so that's why I'm going to use a lot more foundation than usual. So and I'm going to use the same foundation as a concealer. So I used darker foundation to cover up my dark circles, and then I used lighter foundation to cover up my dark circles on the lower side of my eye. I don't know how to explain the makeup tutorials, but I hope you guys get that. When this all looks like, I've been talking way too much, so I just fast forward everything, and now I'm gonna be talking about the makeup I'm going to do. I hope you get the point. So I just took the loose powder to why am I saying pancake, to I don't know what you say, to bake. Yeah, bake. Now I'm gonna powder up my face, and then I'm gonna use this Snapdeal eyeshadow palette, and I'm gonna pick up the light shade and the medium or light shade, and I'm gonna put it over my eyelids, and then I'm gonna use a little darker shade, and I'm gonna pick up the darker shade and put it over the crease area. So my foundation or concealer does not crease if I do so, so that's what I'm gonna do. And then I'm gonna pick up the lightest eyeshadow, and I'm gonna put it on my inner corners, as you can see, to brighten up my eye. And then I'm gonna go ahead and put on this mascara. I'm not gonna use eyeliner today. And then I'm gonna put on this blush. I used the red one to give that natural looking reddish glow, which I love because it's so girly. You know how girly I am. So and then I did like eyebrows, and now I'm gonna use kajal on the lower lash line or waterline because I haven't used eyeliner, so I'm gonna make up for that, and I'm gonna use this kajal, and this all looks like. Now I'm gonna use my new lipstick which I bought from Amazon, and then I'm gonna top it up with my nude lipstick so it gives natural looking lips. And yeah, that is it. So guys, I'm done with the makeup, and this is how my makeup looks like. I'm really liking it. So let me know in the comments how you like this video, and also subscribe my channel and follow. And yeah, that is it. So let me quickly show you my top and my skirt. So I'll definitely have a video on, and then I've got this skirt going on, and yeah, my bracelet from Delhi Hut, and my necklace from Amazon, this from Sarojini Market, top from Sarojini, skirt from Sarojini Market. And yeah, that is it for my outfit. And if you want to see the complete outfit of the day, head to my Patreon because I'm gonna make a lot of videos there only about outfit of the day videos, and my fashion videos always gonna be on this channel. I'll have a lot of fashion videos coming soon. Yeah, but for today, that is it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please let me know in the comments if you want to see more such videos, and I'll see you soon. Bye.